What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff. So Amazon.com might be the most obvious growth play on Wall Street, guys. So back when my girlfriend first started getting interested in investing, we set her up an M1 finance portfolio, and the first stock I told her to add to the portfolio was Amazon. Not necessarily because Amazon is my favorite company, but like I just mentioned, it is the most obvious growth play in the market. And even though this stock is viewed as very fundamentally overvalued, guys, I'm here to tell you, 5 years ago when Amazon was trading at $300 a share, it was also viewed as fundamentally overvalued. Jeff Bezos is relentless. He does not have a pause button, and even if he had the entire world, it would still not be enough for him. And just when you think Amazon can't reach any further, they come out in their earnings report today, guys, with big news and prove once again why Amazon is still the best investment on the block. We're going to cover some of those things, and I'm also going to share my 1-year price target. I will have that pinned down in the comment section as always. And feel free to share your opinion as well. Where do you think Amazon will be trading at in a year? Keep in mind, guys, this stock is trading at $1,900 a share, and it is rated as a buy by almost every single analyst. You might find 1 or 2 fundamental analysts that will give Amazon a hold rating. But if you go off how this company is run, how aggressive they are, and how they are almost chasing world domination, I think Amazon is one stock you almost have to own in your portfolio. Guys, do me a favor, if you're enjoying this video, please drop a like on it. I would really appreciate that. And make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Alright, so let's get started. Amazon doubled its profits in the first 3 months of 2019, but it will shave into its growing earnings in order to chop the delivery time for Prime customers in half. Very, very unique, and that is a very Amazon kind of thing to do. Always looking for a better way to satisfy customers. Guys, Prime is a wonderful service, and now it is only going to get better. Now this is the big news that I was referring to earlier in the video. They reported record earnings for the 4th consecutive quarter, but they projected a sharp reduction in operating profit for the current period is because they expect to spend $800 million to change Prime free delivery times from 2 days to 1. Of course, I use Amazon Prime. I use it several times a week. And guys, I gotta say, this just makes the service even better, okay? And this is what Amazon does. They will throw a boatload of money at something just to draw in more people and keep customers happier. They really focus on customer retention. Making a customer is the first job, but keeping a customer forever is the most important job to Amazon, and it always has been. They have never lost focus of the importance of the people giving you money for your service. And what did their earnings report look like? Their quarter 1 GAAP EPS of $7.09. That beat by $2.44. Such a huge beat on EPS. And then their revenue of $59.7 billion came in line, okay? So they didn't miss and they didn't have a beat. They just came right in line on revenue. Now guys, keep in mind, Microsoft just passed the $1 trillion market cap, and they reported revenue of $30 billion. Guys, Amazon brought almost 2 times as much revenue to the table as Microsoft. Very, very impressive earnings report. So North America was projected to have $35.8 billion, and they came in at $35.11 billion. International was at $16.19 billion. Of course, the consensus was $16.46. And the growth trend was 9% year over year compared to last year at 34%. AWS was at $7.7 billion, and guys, that was up 41% year over year compared to last year's 49% growth. Revenue by product line: online stores was up 14% year over year, physical stores was up 1% year over year, third-party sellers up 23% year over year, subscription services came up 42%. There was a really big number in subscriptions. And then other and miscellaneous was up 36%. So all of Amazon's business streams are growing quite well. Of course, there is a few that have slowed a bit from last year. But like I said, where they slow in some areas, they are growing massively in others. And that is the Amazon business model. And so how did Amazon trade today, guys? Well, it only ticked up about 50 cents. You know, the indexes were sideways for most of the day. And guys, even all week, the indexes have not moved very much, but Amazon is back over that $1,900 mark. It is very easily poised to be trading over $2,000 a share very soon. And in after hours, it traded up an additional $9.76. And of course, right here on the earnings report, you can see the stock did bounce around a lot, getting up at $9.25, $9.35, trading all the way back down to $1,888. And then, of course, seeing a high of $1,938. So, looks like there was a lot of profit taking, followed by a massive amount of buy-in. Over the past 1 year, Amazon is up 31.14%. That is actually very, very good when you compare it to most other stocks, because 2018, we did see a huge decline from the months of October to December, and now we have just recovered back and we're making all-time highs on the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. But most importantly, guys, is the 5-year chart. Keep in mind how much Amazon has already grown. It is up 490% in 5 years. And I do not think Amazon will be under $2,000 a share very much longer. Guys, I'm going to go down to the comment section. I'm going to tell you where I think Amazon will be trading at in 1 year. Feel free to do the same. I would love to hear your opinion. And thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have an awesome day.